This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 27th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather much calmer today. Still some storms over the southeastern corner of the state, and the chance of storms will stay in the forecast tomorrow down in South Alabama, but everybody will be dry by Wednesday and Thursday. And could we see more strong storms about the time the weekend arrives? It's that time of the year where things are busy in the weather office. Let's go right to the upper air look across the country today. And again, you've got a zonal flow, a stalled surface boundary over South Alabama. And again, thunderstorms across the southeastern corner of the state. But for most of Alabama, it's a beautiful day. You can see from, about Grove Hill to Montgomery and Roanoke North, not a cloud in the sky. Cloudy over South Alabama and thunderstorms in progress right over the southeastern corner of the state. Dothan back over toward Geneva. In fact, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the extreme southern part of Houston County. That's the southeastern tip of the state for a storm that is exiting the state, moving over into southwest Georgia. So here's a look at the rain plot from the Birmingham Weather Service office for the past 24 hours, and you can see that strip of really, really heavy rain across the central counties of the state. Some spots there going over 7 inches, and we've had some major flooding issues with roads being washed out. Creeks are high, rivers are high right through there. But again, at least for that part of the state where the rain was so heavy over the past 36 hours, they'll have a chance to dry out between now and Friday. Pretty warm this afternoon. We've got 81 for Birmingham, 71 for Haleyville as cooler air is over the Tennessee Valley. Huntsville at 72. And, of course, down south because of clouds, it's only 70 at Dothan, 73 at Mobile. There is technically still a severe thunderstorm watch for the southeastern corner of the state, with those thunderstorms continuing there. And around the nation, relatively quiet on this Monday. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. We have a marginal risk over the southern half of Alabama, and the core of that's going to be over the southeastern corner of the state, where storms are ongoing. Tomorrow, the stalled surface boundary stays in place. So again, we have a marginal risk of severe storms south of a line from near Grove Hill to Greenville, Troy, Eufaula, darker green. And the main threat, strong gusty winds. We do not expect tornadoes tomorrow there. And then Wednesday, day 3, no severe weather expected across the country. However, on day 4, Thursday, the next system lifts out. We have a chance of severe storms over parts of North Texas, Oklahoma, southern Kansas. And then on Friday, we have an enhanced risk already defined from Arkansas and the Mississippi Delta up into parts of Iowa and Illinois. The broader risk runs from northeastern Texas to near Milwaukee and Indianapolis. And you can see that clips the extreme northwestern corner of Alabama for Friday night. But it sure looks like with this one, the better dynamics will stay north of the state as a ridge holds down here. We'll take a look at new modeling here in just a second. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers across the southern counties of the state, south of that stalled surface front. But again, everybody will be drier by Wednesday and Thursday and the daytime hours on Friday. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, broad troughing is forming over the eastern states, but we still got that stalled surface front. And we have a good chance of showers and storms tomorrow for the southern quarter of the state, south of US 80. If you're north of US 80, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, Huntsville, the Shoals, should be a nice day. But a cooler day. Highs in the 60s for North Alabama, 70s for the southern counties of the state. Wednesday will be a dry day, sunny statewide. Some of the colder pockets will be in the 30s to start the day. The high will be in the 60s for North Alabama, 70s for the southern counties of the state. And we are dry on Thursday. And again, Thursday morning, we could see some 30s, and it's conceivable there might be a little frost in scattered spots. I don't think it'll be a big issue, but not totally out of the question. The high Thursday, again, 60s and 70s. So Friday, here comes our system. We have a deep surface load that's northwest of Des Moines, well under 1,000 millibars. And south and east of that, we could see a significant severe weather day. Parts of Missouri, Arkansas, northeastern Texas. But for Alabama, we think the day, Friday, will be dry. And most likely that band of storms will come in here Friday night. Another late Friday night deal. But this time, we think the upper ridge will stay relatively strong, kind of forcing the main dynamics north of here, and hopefully that will mitigate any severe weather problems. We can't guarantee that, but that seems to be the ongoing idea. And then by Saturday, the bulk of the showers Saturday afternoon down in southeast Alabama, they should be weakening at that point. So again, as the weekend begins, we'll mention a chance of showers and storms Friday night into Saturday morning. And the severe weather threat at the moment not looking especially high. But then again, hey, end of March, 1st of April, you have to watch these systems. Sunday promises to be a beautiful day. The high will be in the 60s and 70s. Just gorgeous. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 3rd of April. Zonal flow, moisture tries to come back, and a few showers are possible. Looks like the weather next week will be a little unsettled, which is what you expect in the first week of April. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday the 8th. Got an upper low that's over the northern Great Lakes, an upper high over the Gulf, and a cold front pushing in with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And at this point, it's simply too early to know if we have any severe weather problems next week. Let's check rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean, about 3 inches between now and the 11th of April. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, and this is for Birmingham, and you can see the cool down, highs dropping in the 60s on Wednesday, then back to 81 Friday, then 70s for the weekend, and then back in the low 80s by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. And again, for Birmingham, it's got 41 on Wednesday morning, 43 Thursday morning, but the colder pockets around north and central Alabama could easily see some 30s on those mornings. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC outlook. This is for April 4th through April 10th. Look at all the red all of a sudden. Of course, meaning temperatures above average here, below average out in the western states. Hey, what do we do here? We roll some Pepsi Kid Cam. Yeah, buddy. Priceville Elementary School in Morgan County had a gym full, good-looking group, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade. And look at this cake. Wow, that's like just a masterpiece there. It's a piece of art right there. You got the polygon on there, and you got the 7-day forecast. But the kids were just great today. Such a great time today. Of course, in Morgan County, they had a horrible ride Friday night with tornadoes touching down near Hartsville and over in Lacey Spring. But again, the kids were just great today. So again, to everybody at Priceville, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today at the elementary school there. So we have notes over on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. Tomorrow, I'll be scheduled to appear in Tuscaloosa at the Englewood Elementary School and then the Harris Early Learning Center in Birmingham. Wednesday, going to Opelika down in Lee County, Opelika Middle School. Thursday, Fayette Elementary School. Friday, Taylorville Primary School in Tuscaloosa County. And we are scheduled for a book signing Saturday in Wedowee in Randolph County. If the weather cooperates, and again, we do have that front coming in here late Friday night and Saturday morning, and we'll make kind of a no-go go decision on that by Wednesday. But hopefully weather will allow us to do that. We're scheduled for a coffee shop in Wedowee Saturday morning. I think it's 10 until 1, and we'll post details up on the social platforms here as we get closer. But if you're in Randolph County, hope you can come see us this Saturday morning in Wedowee. That's it for the afternoon briefing. If you're new here, we do these twice a day. We do them in the morning about 5:15, in the afternoon about 2:30. We simulcast them on YouTube and Facebook. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on television. ABC 3340 News will be in Studio A right across the hall at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. And don't forget Weather Brains, our show for weather dweebs, tonight, every Monday night at 7 o'clock Central. And obviously we'll talk a lot about what happened with the severe weather in recent days and have some other guests, but that's at 7 o'clock on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. And, of course, most people listen. So on your favorite podcast app, Weather Brains. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.